Hi guys, welcome again to Wendy Style. I appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. I have those beautiful short body for older matured women. One thing with short hairstyles is that they are always a great way for you to express yourself. So you wear the styles today, we find that a short natural haircut is always flattering on older matured women, or let's say for the seniors, because they can be achieved easily using the right guidance. Just as I'm here to always guide you guys on the kind of hairstyle that will suit your face shape, that is good for the older women. So like when talking to your hairstylist, maybe if you can do it yourself about this look, just tell them what you want. Then when you tell them you want something like the low maintenance but stylish haircut, always let them know that they should consider your face shape and your style preferences, like to get the perfect shape and texture. And it's a kind of style that you always look gorgeous, that will always take many years of your age. So you can just use the simple Canto product, like Canto leave-in conditioner and the Canto moisturizer. It will always make your hair look good, it will make it look healthy, and it will make it look so good, like for those that love the bad to no hair. So Canto product is the best product I can recommend for older matured women. A Canto product, the kids, like they have that of $8, yeah. And another one like the leave-in conditioner and the moisturizer, I think is about $15. So you can check in my description box. I'm going to leave the link on how you can get the description box of this Canto kit down my description box, and you can also order online through Amazon, so you can get them. Or even I think Canto is more popular in the market, like it's everywhere compared to the MIELLE, the Hairstyles and all that. So you can always see them in the market. I don't think it will take you much time to get Canto kits. So Canto product will be the best for you to achieve that marvelous black short hairstyles you are looking for. Okay, if it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. This haircut today, I promise you guys you're gonna love it, because it's really an excellent choice if you aren't afraid of a short cut but still want to rock that natural hair. So after the cut, from your barber, this matured style can be easily maintained at home. Okay, and not forget to use the Canto coiling mousse and your fingers to always get your natural coils into place. I appreciate you, my returning subscribers. Everyone, you all are welcome to Wendy Styles. Stay locked for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
My mind day for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know why I feel loved again. I don't wanna wait for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they all said I can't have you, I proved them wrong. I came for you. Anywhere to any mood too. Say I still come through. Give me love, yeah, yeah, forever. I decrease for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I find I give you all you need, and I know what you like. I feel it coming, yeah. Time is of the essence. Oh, I try to teach you, yeah, but I might need some lessons. You don't need no other body, yeah. You don't need no other body, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. When they all say I can't have you, I prove them wrong, I came for you. You. Oh, don't need no other body. Only you feel my body, yeah. My mind day for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know why I feel loved again. I don't wanna wait for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they all said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere to any mood too. You know, say I still come through. Oh, give me love, yeah, yeah. Forever, yeah, yeah. I decrease for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I find I give you all you need, and I know what you like. I feel it coming, yeah. Time is of the essence. Oh, I try to teach you,